Hi, it's Carolyn from Gate 39 Media, and today I'll be offering some quick reasons why you should be using HubSpot campaigns and associating all of your marketing efforts back to those campaigns. The Campaigns tool allows you to easily measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. For each campaign you set up in HubSpot, you can set a budget, create goals, create tracking URLs, and associate relevant marketing pieces, such as landing pages and emails. Once you associate some assets with a campaign, you can track that campaign's impact on contacts, website traffic, deals, and influenced revenue. You'll also be able to analyze the overall effectiveness of each campaign you set up by using your HubSpot analytics tools. For more tips and tricks on marketing with HubSpot, check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining!